Hi everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. I remember I used to make cabbage roll when I was studying in a college. And ever since, I've not been making this for a long time. And suddenly, I have an urge to make it again. So, this is a Chinese style cabbage roll stuffed with minced meat and mushroom, steamed instead of baking it. In this video, I want to show you my version of Chinese style cabbage roll. Keep watching. Soak the dried shiitake mushroom in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then squeeze out as much water as possible and cut the mushrooms into small dice. Prepare some minced ginger, prepare some minced garlic, cut the scallions into thin rings. Dice the onion. Now let's prepare the stuffing. This is the minced pork. If you do not eat pork, you can use chicken as the substitute. Mix the following ingredients with the minced meat: light soy sauce, oyster sauce, the minced ginger, and the minced garlic, rice wine, some salt, some sugar, and some ground white pepper, the onion, the scallion, shiitake mushroom, combine all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Remove the core of the round cabbage. Blanch the cabbage in boiling water until the leaves loosen from the core. Then remove and drain. Slice off the thick vein of the cabbage so that it is easy to fold it. Place a portion of the stuffing on a piece of cabbage. Then fold and wrap to encase the stuffing. Arrange the cabbage rolls in a plate, seam size down. Steam the cabbage rolls over medium heat for 15 minutes. Then remove. To prepare the gravy, Collect the liquid formed during steaming. Pour it into a pan. Add some cornstarch to the water for soaking the mushrooms to make a cornstarch slurry. Then thicken with cornstarch slurry. Season the gravy with light soy sauce and some sesame oil. Let it cook down to about half of the original volume. Sprinkle some scallions into the gravy. Drizzle the gravy on the cabbage rolls and then serve. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching this stuffed cabbage roll recipe. If you want to get the details of this recipe, I have included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. And I will see you again in other videos on this channel in future. Bye for now.